Welcome guys, this is Mathematics Paper 2, 2023 GCE Paper 2, question 1A and 1B solved. Now, the first question was saying simplify 13a to the power 3 divided by 28a to the power 2 times b to the power 2 divided by 65a to the power 4 times b, then 56a to the power 2 times b to the power 4. Now, this question is asking us to simplify. We are not solving for any letter, we're just making it simple. To simplify simply means to make it simple. As it is, it's complex. So where there is division here, we have a provision of introducing a multiplication. Okay, so we're going to introduce a multiplication. How? By interchanging this term or this fraction that comes after division will interchange. The denominator will go on the numerator will come on the denominator. So we'll have something like this. Now, since we have the multiplication here, we have a privilege now of dividing in diagonals. Okay, so if you check here, we can divide the 28. Yes, this is 1. 28 into 28, 1. 28 into 56 can go there. That is 5 times. 2 times. Then 13 can also be divided here. 1. 13 into 65, it goes there 5 times. Okay, so this 5 times, this 2 times here. Okay, at the same time, we can divide the a. So we have 2 a's here. We can just divide here. We remain with 1a. Okay, and then we have a b here, b to the power 2, here we have b to the power 4. So if we remove 2 b's here, we remain with 1b, 2 b's. Okay, so b to the power 2. Then we have 1a here, so we can divide a into a, that is a 1. Okay, and then a into this, we have a to the power 3. Okay, so we have a to the power 3. The b can go. We have another, we have 2 b's on top here, so we'll remain with the b. Okay, then the a's, we have a to the power 3 and a to the power 2 here, so we can cancel this a into a1, a squared into a squared, that is 1, a squared into this, we remain with a. Okay, so here we have 1's. Okay, even here we have 1's. So if we multiply 1 times 1 times 2 times 1 times b, on the numerator we're going to remain with 2b. Then down here, if we multiply 1 times 1 times 1 times 5 times a, we're going to have 5a. So the final answer there is 2b over 5a. We have simplified or made it simple. We go to the next question. So the next question is a set. Okay, learners in grade 10 class were asked the types of drinks they liked. The Venn diagram shows their responses. So here on the Venn diagram, we have Fanta, we have Coke, we have those that took Sprite, and then we have those that didn't take any of these drinks. Okay, so the first question is saying, given that 40 learners liked Fanta, find the value of x. So these that are 40, they liked Fanta. Okay, they didn't use the word only. If it was only, we're going just to use this value which is in here, but they said those that liked Fanta, so meaning everything, so long as is in the circle of Fanta, then we are going to use it. So we're going to create an equation. So it simply means we need to add all these, the x plus 2, x and x, then plus 17. Everything when we add here, it should give us the total as 40, because those are the number of learners that liked Fanta. So let us begin to add. We have x plus 2 plus x and plus 17. All these when we add, it should be equal to 40. So let us add the letters, that is x plus x plus x. This gives us 3x. Good. Then if we add 2 plus 17 gives us what? 19. Perfect. So we have 3x plus 19 equals to 40. Okay, now from here we are going to, so saying equals to 40 here. Okay, equals to 40, because that is our equation. Then from here now, we're going to say 3x equals to 40. We're going to make this positive 19 to cross the equal sign to go to its like term, okay? So we're using additive inverse, okay? The 19 going on the other side, it becomes a negative, so minus 9. So we have 3x equals to 40 minus 19, which will give us 40 minus 19 will give us 21. Okay, so we are dividing on both sides with a 3 because we want to find the value for x. So we divide by 3. Even on this side, we divide by 3. So this 3 and the 3 will give us 1. 1 times x will give us x equals to 3 into 21 gives us 7. So we have found the value for x. Now what we're going to do after finding the value of x, we are going to rewrite our set. Where we are seeing x, will substitute with the value of x, which is 7. So here when we put 7, where there is x, we'll have 7 plus 2, where we'll get what? 9. Good. Then here where there is x, when we put a 7, it becomes a 7. Here where there is x again, so here we have x minus 2. Okay, so x minus 2 will give us what? A 5. Okay, so 7 minus 5 minus 2, sorry, will give us a 5. Okay, then here where there's x, it means a 7. Okay, so now since we have written down where we had the variable, now we have a complete set. We can answer the following questions. Okay, so the following question says, find the total number of learners in the class. Okay, so for us to find the total numbers of learners in the class, we'll also include these that didn't take any of, or that didn't like any of the drinks, because they were part of that class. Okay, even if they didn't take or liked any of the drinks. So add everything here, including this number which is in here. Okay, so we'll have 17 plus 9 plus 7 plus 7 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7. Okay, so when you add everything, the answer becomes 60 learners. Okay, we go to the next question, which is A Roman numeral 3A. How many learners did not like Fanta? Okay, how many learners did not like Fanta? So here we can just remove all these that liked Fanta. Okay, so if we remove a 9, 7, 7 and a 17, we are going to remain with these that liked Coke, Sprite, that's all. So we are not going to include anyone who liked Fanta, because the question is saying those that did not like what? Fanta. So we're going to add 5 plus 5 plus 3, which will give us as 13 learners. Okay, then how many learners liked 2 types of drinks only? Those that liked 2 types of drinks only. So we are going to go on the intersections of 2 sets only. So here, this is the intersection of Fanta and Coke. So we have a 9, and then we have a 7, we have a 5. So we're going to add 9 plus 7 plus 5, which will give us 21 learners. So thank you very much for watching, and keep watching on all the series for paper 2 2023 GCE.